Hi everyone, welcome to Joy Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make chicken rendang using the NOXXA pressure cooker. We're going to saute and we're going to put in the onions. Okay, we have turned off the stir fry button now, and we're going to set the pressure to high pressure for about 3 minutes. Okay friends, this is the final look of our chicken rendang, which looks delicious and it is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed the session today. Thank you once again for watching Joy Kitchen Joy channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment.